Guys, good morning. It's going down. Today is the day. We are riding out to the sunset with our 2014 S-Class. Went down to Florida, picked that car up. It's been really solid. A couple years, so we're gonna get us something else, something a little bit more practical that we can use. And yeah, I have to meet them up at the dealership at 10. Right now it's 8. I have to take me to school. Then I'll run over there, swap cars, come back, pick up Mumu. She has to wait at the house for the air conditioning people. So let's get that out the way as well. So that's kind of what it's gonna be. I'm gonna run over to the east side, drop off Mia, run over to Middlebrook Heights, swap cars, come back to the house, pick up Mumu, then go to work. We have a good amount of work to do today, so try to get everything done as efficient as possible. But it's over the end of hour, man, so I'm excited for something else, something that we can get more use out of. All right. Yeah, they told us between 9 and 10, but it's 8:15 he got here, so that's great. Yeah, he got here 8:15, got here early, which is great for us before we left, so hopefully he can wrap this all up before we have to leave, and then I can take Mumu with me. Makes things a lot easier.
Apples for Mia today at school.
You ready to go to school? Hell no. No kids. Yeah, right. They told me I look like a used car salesman today. So when I head over there, I'll fit in, try to get a better deal, right? Nah.
And then I look like I work in the maintenance mechanic part.
Right.
Of everything. And detailing. I'm right here. Y'all need a fix? Y'all need a detail? Come to me.
Yeah, about to drop Mumu off, and then I'll head on my last ride with the car. It's always that little jitter of a feeling, you know? Little happy feeling. Happy, sad. It's been real, guys. It's been real. Car still got snow tires on it. Got the 19-inch rims on it. Factories are 20s, I think. Wrapped the headlights. We did the chrome delete. It held up decent, but it's, you know, it's time. It needs to be maintenance. You know, the car needs to be maintenance. This is like a common recall. Lifted the wrap off because the paint chips for common recall. I just put a new windshield on it. Has an oil leak. You know, man, it's really nice. Oh, thank you, my God.
Oh, shit. There you go.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Love you.
Lifesaver. Right? Running around doing this, trying to do everything. Let's pop this, man. Get some more light in here. But yeah, you know, the car has its flaws that you can kind of tell. So, you know, it's like, well, Max, why don't you go to CarMax? You might be able to get more money for the car. You know, they're gonna look at all this stuff, and the car needs a couple things, you know what I mean? The warnings are on the dash, you know? So I have that airbag light that came on from like this seat here. Passenger side seat. I put a dolly in here. Kind of heavy, I wasn't supposed to do that. So that tripped it, I guess. And it's leaking oil. It always leaks oil, man. It's constant fix. This car's constant maintenance. So it's leaking now again. So, you know, I'm not gonna go to CarMax. They're gonna pick the car apart, tell me some kind of crazy offer. I'm just gonna go take it to my people that I like to do business with and just keep things going consistent. You know, I feel like it's better in the long run, it's easier. All right, guys, we're off. Last ride. hard to spot the usual. Here's the whip right here. Wow. All right, guys, we're here. It's over there. You can see it kind of. So I'm pretty excited. Looking at it now, I'm like extra happy. Let's go make this happen. Go blacked out. Meat out the box. I don't mind riding it. It's just like this beautiful off-white. Got the black chrome. It's pretty dope. Hot little mirrors. Nice ass truck, boy. It's already like the blacked out package, so it's really nice. He showed it to me online. You know, I trust these guys. I just come through, make it happen. So let's go. Key fob, of course, you know, it's keyless, so that's good. You know, the Toyota stuff is pretty reliable. It's little black guts, you know, keep it simple with the black. We like black. It's my preference. It has a Toyota feel, like, right, you know what time it is. It's back to this. This reminds me a lot of the Lexus truck, the GX. You guys already know, it reminds me a lot of it. Kind of like the similar, this is just like not quite as luxury, but this is really nice. And of course, the best part, the back window, you know, so I can hang out the back of it and shoot how I used to do with the Lexus. So that's kind of like why I wanted one of these, kind of childish, but guilty. Yeah, it's cold today and raining. Nice reliable start. Nice little speedometer, little screen. It's kind of on the small side, but hey, good old Toyota. Infotainment, nice and reliable. It's big climate controls, easy to use. Got the USB, got an aux cable, whatever, why you might want that, I don't know. Lighter for the chargers, you got cooled and heated seats. So that's fire. 4 low, 4 high, you can lock the diff, you know, you want to haul stuff, crawl, do the stuff. Cool to have. It's nice in the snow, whatever have you, if you end up needing it. See the little nice little brush finish on this. It's a kind of like, I mean, it's kind of like metallic finish. Looks nice. Yeah, it's going down. That's it. We're taking our stuff out. It's over.